we're just going to take it back a little bit farther and follow through, just like a putting stroke. Oh, we got to hit it a little harder.
Yeah, you're chipping it.
I'm going to have to put that.
Go back farther, Micah.
You might have to put that.
There you go.
Yeah.
But I hit a little bit harder.
There you go.
That's a good one.
I've been putting some balls in the hole before.
Have you?
Yeah, but not the real well.
Ooh.
Get in the hole.
Look at that one. Oh!
Save it? Did you get
I
there?
didn't get it in the hole.
Oh.
Did it go? Take it out.
5.
You didn't get the hole?
No. I got the swing though.
2 balls in the hole.
Yeah.
Your first hole out.
I get 2 of them.
Hurry up so you can do it again and Mommy can get it on tape. Video.
I don't know. It's
Tough to do too.
But yeah, I was gonna say, it's not like you can just...
Just do it again, honey.
Just skip. I said don't.
Whoa, 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 that was too hard, buddy.
After
Do
I
it just like
get
you did
the
it before.
rest of these, I'll go get them.
No, no, do it like you did it before.
There you go. Not too bad.
Yeah, that's more like it, but hard, a little harder.
I think I'm gonna start calling you Dad.
I have 2 kids, a dog and a cat.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the best kind.
Man, we got 5 then if we count all of them.
There you
That
go.
looks good.
Good one, dude.
All right.
We hit a ball in and it was close to a hole. That ball would
Yeah.
go right in.
So what's the chipping stroke? How did I tell you? Just like the putting,
That
right?
that was a little.
Just like the
large
putting,
in
just
here,
a
the
little
big.
harder.
It's huge.
Don't chip up the grass, honey.
Really, it really is.
Oh.
After I put the rest of these up, I'll put the balls I want.
Well, we're gonna, Micah. Try to hit it and get one more hole out. A little harder than where you did it before.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get.
We're
I'm
gonna do
gonna
one.
get put. Oh,
No,
Daddy, after
we're gonna
this
do.
ball, I'm
We're gonna do
put.
what he says we're gonna do. Okay, not what you want. There you go.
Good one, dude.
Can we put the balls now?
You wanna put it?
Yeah.
He wants to put every last one on the